let's get 2023 started then, shall we? So I suppose I better start with Happy New Year. Although I know you're seeing this probably in February, but right now recording this, New Year's Day, it is still a good time to say Happy New Year. So apologies, I know it's like way past that, but for me it is still Happy New Year to you lot. I am very curious to know what you got for Christmas, because if you've got anything bike related, please let me know. Because I got absolutely zero bike related Christmas presents. Every year people ask me what's good for Christmas, and I say the same thing every year: just buy me sports bike shop vouchers, because that way I can buy anything I want for my bike and I'll be happy as a pig in. But no, I never get sports bike vouchers. I just got the usual pants, socks, you know, deodorant. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't want to sound ungrateful. I'm really grateful for the pants and socks, because I mean, let's face it, going out and buying pants and socks and deodorant, it's boring, isn't it? It's such a crap thing to have to go and buy. So, you know, it'll last me a little while. I mean, I will have to replace them eventually, but yeah. Where do I go? Where should I go? Where should I go? I haven't really got a plan. That's my problem. No plan means I've got no idea what I'm doing or where I'm going. Let's go left. I can get past this lorry. The one thing I did get bought for Christmas by my wife, which I absolutely love by the way, is some noise cancelling headphones made by Sony. They are absolutely phenomenal. They're really good. I mean, I know they're not cheap. I know how much they are, but they are very good. I'll actually put a picture of what ones I've got. But if you are looking for some sort of noise cancelling headphones that really do work, literally you put them on even with no music on or sound on the headphones, you can hear like the electrical sort of noise cancelling on working on them. It shuts everything out. It's great. Tell you what, I'm putting mild heated grips on. It's getting a bit nippy. Oh dear, what is going on here? Is everyone anchored their brakes on for literally no reason, just some absolute weirdo. Plans for the channel. So I do have things in motion. I have a couple of videos scheduled to bring you. I've done a review on my quad lock thing. I've had that for about 2 years. I've done a review on that. That's coming up. I've got some smart finger things on the end of these gloves, meant to mean you can use your phone while you got your gloves on. I'm gonna be honest, I have found them to be a bit naff now. I've been using them for a little while. In that particular video I say how good they are and they actually work, and I'll be honest, yeah, they're not amazing, but the video's up, the video's there, so you can make your own mind up about them really. Another video I'm going to bring to you is someone put a comment on my review video of this bike, stating something along the lines of, I can't remember word for word, but something along the lines of BMW bike owners don't ever tell you what it's like to live with a BMW, i.e. the cost of living with it, the running costs, and you know how much all accessories are and all that. Which, in fairness, yeah, I mean, I can't think of any videos that actually give you an in-depth of idea of how much that costs. So what I will be doing is I will be bringing a living with a BMW. I mean, I've had this bike for a year now, or just shy of a year. So the idea is I'll be able to give you a video of what it's like to live with a BMW, obviously specifically an XR, but you know, I have got a few things that I've added to the bike, whether they be BMW genuine or sort of aftermarket. I'll just be able to give you a bit of an idea of how much all that costs and how much this bike could actually cost with all the stuff I put on it if you went into the shop and bought it. So that's one video, that's the one idea I've got coming up. Tours this year, I am definitely going to Scotland. That is affirmative. That is confirmed. I am going to Scotland. Apologies for the really terrible accent there. Never been to Scotland on the bike, so I think we're staying up sort of Tummel way, I think it is. I'm actually going with the guys I went to Yorkshire with. So yeah, really looking forward to that, really looking forward to it. Oh, upset dog in the back of the car. My dogs must be the only ones that actually like motorbikes, because they get all excited when I get the bike out. No idea why. So I want to try and do a solo tour this year, not a massive solo tour, just, you know, sort of 2 or 3 days away somewhere on my Todd. I've got an idea of maybe heading down towards Land's End and then coming up doing Cheddar Gorge. Sort of got that in mind. Nothing's really confirmed as yet, which is an idea I've got. But hopefully I'll be able to sort that out. So another thing I've got planned is a few more day rides with Redford Baron. We literally, I've said in the video before, me and Redford Baron live quite close to each other, so a few more rides coming up with him. We did plan on going on a long day ride towards the end of last year, but due to life and the Great British weather, that pretty much put a stop to that. So unfortunately we didn't go, but we was looking at heading sort of Yorkshire way. Yorkshire is about 4 hours away from us where we live, so although it would be a very long day trip, it would be so worth it. But basically that's the sort of thing that Redford Baron likes to do. He likes to go on sort of long day trips, so and I'm all up for that, you know. I could spend all day on my bike quite happily. It's my happy place. Yeah, he doesn't really like doing sort of just sort of around the local area. You know, if you're gonna go on a bike, get up early, go out, go far afield, make the most of the whole day, especially during the summer months, and I'm all up for that. So no doubt there'll be a few Redford Baron / Life on Marsh compilation videos. Something else I want to try for this year, as you well know, I absolutely love this bike, but I am well aware there's other bikes out there that are probably just as good or on par with this bike. Not that I'm looking at getting rid of this bike at all anytime soon, but I am curious to know what's out there that's on par with this bike. So my idea is, what I'd like to do is do a few videos of like the S1000XR versus whatever bike that I take out. So if you've got any ideas of what you think could be on par with this bike, or even, you know, persuade me to look at that next, bung it in the comments, let me know bikes that you think I should take for a test ride and compare it to the XR. So yeah, I mean, other than the usual bike meets that happen every year that I promised I'd go to, I pretty much didn't go to any last year due to work and work. I'll also be going out with my newfound friends. They're not really called the OTT rides anymore, whatever they are, because we've now decided to set up a WhatsApp group. So yeah, they're just now friends, like I said in my Christmas video. Like, I have friends, biker friends. So yeah, there'll be a few rides with them guys as well. I might even get some of them on the videos if I can actually man up and actually record myself in front of them. I mean, to be fair, I still can't do that. I've been doing this for a year now and I still can't do that. I have to be on my own or talking on my helmet because I get embarrassed. Whoa, didn't see that bad boy. That's pretty cool. Really hope you can see that. Oh, I'm just looking up in the air for literally no reason. So yeah, other than the videos I've mentioned, I also plan on doing a few sort of, you know, chatty vlog type videos as well. Pretty much like this one. Just me nattering, chatting away. So if there's anything you're interested in asking me, please, by all means, on any of the videos, bung in the comments. I do try and respond to all the comments, and if it gets to a point where I have enough questions being asked, I might just do a little chatty vlog about it. Oh, I nearly forgot, one other thing I want to do this year as well is do a IAM skills day. Now, if you've never heard of an IAM skills day, they are kind of like a track day, but not a track day. They make that very clear. It is not a track day. Basically what it is you actually go out on track with about 4 other people, I think it is, and they teach you where to position your bike on a track, what point you indicate, why do you indicate, idiot, where you'd accelerate, where you'd brake, body position and stuff like that. It's kind of like track day tuition, but more for the road, but it's just in a safer environment, i.e. on the track. You know, there's no furniture and other traffic to deal with, so it's yeah, I've heard nothing but good things about him, so I'm really keen to try one out. I was told by people in the IM when I went to the NEC show that IM and BSB are the only sort of companies, if you like, that are allowed to use Thruxton race circuit. So you can't do a track day there. So that's very interesting to me. So yeah, that pricked my interest quite a lot, knowing the fact that, you know, you can't do a track day at Thruxton, but you can do a skills day. So yeah, I want to try and give them a go. Look into one of them. I know they're really hard to get into, so I need to get on them as soon as they come out. I am absolutely in the wrong lane here. Last of all, guys, I bought another drone. I know I didn't use the last drone very often at all, but I have bought another one, and fingers crossed I'll be able to get to use it a bit more than I did last one. Put a bit more drone footage into the videos, because I mean, I don't know about you guys, I really enjoy drone footage. I think it looks absolutely phenomenal. I mean, I'm crap with a drone, don't get me wrong, I can't use it very well, but you know, the images look nice, don't they? So anyway, guys, I don't really know where I'm going. I don't know where this road takes me. I have no idea. So I'm going to leave the vlog there. Vlog, video, whatever. I'm just going to leave it there. Hopefully you've watched the video and you're interested in some of the stuff I've got planned for the year. And if you're new here, I hope you do jump on board. It'd be great to have you along. So on that thought, guys, thank you very much for watching. And I shall speak to you very soon. Catch you later.